morning, everyone. Good morning, guys, and welcome to today's live trading room session here at Trademy. How are you today, guys? Patrick, good morning. Can you hear me, guys? All right. Good morning and congratulations for your Aussie CHF trade, Patrick. Very good job. I have just been informed that you have made around how much you live? $253 from your short position on Aussie CHF. Very good job, Patrick. I'm very glad for you, my friend. Hello, Alan. Welcome, my friend. How are you today? How is your day? Did you woke up happy or not? All right. Guys, a lot of news coming out at in approximately 35 minutes, especially for the British pound, waiting for Azar to join Real. Okay. All right. Is that the news, recent news for transfer or not? All right. So guys, welcome to today's live trading room session. We have taken some positions, as you can see. Let's go through them very quickly. We have shorted Euro Yen. As you can see, it's in a negative territory, so if you wish, you can follow us. Good morning, George, and welcome. We have also shorted Aussie dollar, a bit of profit there. We shorted pound dollar. We shorted the euro dollar. And we have entered buy positions on dollar CHF. So we have 5 trades running, plus we have some orders. We have placed a sell limit order Euro Yen at 131.93. In other words, if the price continues to go up, if it reaches this level, to go short again. We have also placed a second sell limit order for Aussie dollar, if it goes there, to short again. Yes, dollar yen was very volatile, and I will show you what happened with dollar yen. Guys, we have shorted pound dollar with another limit. Let's go to dollar yen. Dollar yen was falling yesterday. Suddenly this morning during the Asia session went up. And actually, guys, now I will go long dollar yen. I'm buying dollar yen. So I have just entered a long position on dollar yen. I got the signal on dollar yen I was looking for, and also I will buy dollar CAD as well. So I'm long dollar CHF and long dollar CAD. So let me post these two new trades: long dollar CHF, long dollar yen, and long USD CAD. Just a moment to find out the targets, guys, and the take profits and the stop losses. So for dollar yen, the take profit is at 112.43. So one moment, please. So let me find the stop loss now for dollar yen. 112 minus 112.13 is my stop loss for dollar yen. Let me make the calculations again just to avoid any mistakes, guys. So 112.53 is the take profit, not 43. So this is the take profit. Is not ranging. For me, dollar yen is in a downtrend, but this rebound here enhanced my trades. I mean, triggered my buy positions. This pattern here usually is a very strong pattern for further bullishness, guys. So dollar yen, we have entered long dollar yen. Dollar yen stop loss 112.13 and take profit 112.53. These are not dodges, guys. this is a doji. I mean, usually the doji, the body of the candle is in between the candle, in the middle of the candle. That's not a doji. This is actually a bullish hammer. This is a bullish hammer. All right? Good. Now, I will also place a buy limit order for dollar yen. Just a moment to find out the level. I will place a second order, buy limit order, at, let me see guys, 112.18. So 112.18, I will place a buy limit order, stop loss 112.13 and take profit 112.53 guys. So that's it about dollar yen. We are done with dollar yen. Let's go now to our dollar CAD trade, and I will transfer you to Elif as soon as I finish this order because she's already very active. So dollar CAD, let me see. We have entered long positions. Let me find the take profit first. The take profit is 131.41 and the stop loss $139.97. This is the stop loss and the take profit for dollar CAD. So dollar CAD, stop loss 139.97, take profit 131.41. And also I will place a buy limit order for dollar CAD. And I will buy at 131.047 with my stop loss at 1.3997 and my take profit at 131.41. So currently we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 positions open and 7 pending orders in order to increase our position sizes. Let's go a quick round through and see how we are doing. Euro yen is losing us some money, but is going to trigger most probably our second position. Aussie dollar is making us some money, no significant movements. Pound dollar is a bit below our entering price, so is making us some money. Euro dollar a bit above our first short position. We will see if the second short position is triggered. Dollar CHF has given us a buy signal, is trading below our first entry level. However, we have our second position here running, probably will be triggered. Dollar yen is more or less where we bought it, and dollar CAD, same story guys, more or less where we bought it. Now, regarding the news, just a very quick reference with the news guys. Today we have, in a few minutes at 8:30 UTC time, we have very important announcements on the British pound. The Bank of England Governor Carney will speak, and also we have average earnings index expected exactly the same figure as the previous month at 2.5%. We have claimant count change is expected to be positive, and unemployment rate expected to be steady at 4.2%, the same as the previous month. So I see that Elif is doing some nice trades, guys. These are the Forex trades and orders we have placed for today's morning session. I'm transferring you now to Elif.
Good morning, everyone. Hello, welcome to our nice trading session here at Trademy.com. So yes, I just opened DAX position. I went long on DAX. And right now I opened also a long Italy 40 position. Ellen will not like it, I know that. But for all of you guys who are interested, I just opened also Italy 40 position. I'm now in the process of putting my targets. So let me write it down and I will let you know where I put my target. So basically I entered Italy 40 at 21,947 and my stop loss is at 21,823 and my take profit is at 21,991 on Italy 40, and we had a huge movement, and I believe that the movement will continue upwards. We have just some news coming out from Italy, and we are expecting in 50 minutes also the Italian CPI. So I expect we will have some nice trading opportunities here. Also, DAX opened with a loss and it moved quite high, and I'm aiming to reach this high, which is the high of yesterday, and I think it will aim the high of yesterday, and then we will make a profit of around $400 and we will close this position. So these are the two positions which I have open right now. Let's see on the US indices how they look. We see on USA 100 on Nasdaq, we have a general downtrend. A small pullback. Let me see if the trend is close to an end. No, it doesn't look like the end of a trend. As you know, trend is your friend until it ends. And I say even the end of a trend is your friend, because you can enter the next trend, right? So I'm trying to enter a short position, but I will wait until I will put a sell limit here. Let's put a sell limit on USA 100. New order, we go on pending order, and I want to sell at the price of 7,311. I want to sell. There we go. Once the price reaches this level, and then it will turn. So Patrick is asking me if I like the Italian results. No, I don't like the result what came out. I don't like what came out from the result. It was at 8 o'clock this morning when we started our live trading session. Hello, George, welcome. We had a small announcement about the industrial new orders, and we had an increase on our industrial sales numbers, and that's why I'm expecting the price of Italy 40 to go higher. Guys, you got a better price than me. This is good. I'm aiming here $1,025 profit. I will see, maybe I might adjust my take profit and take it a bit down to see how it's moving. And according to the move, I might adjust a bit my my take profit. Hello, Ellen. Welcome to our trading session this morning. Yes, you missed my my Italy 40 position. I know you don't like it, but I'm sure I will convince you also once about Italy 40, and I have it. I'm sure about that. One day I will convince you. So, going further, let's see. In 13 minutes, we will have some announcement from Great Britain. The employment change will be announced. As you know, for the fundamental analysis, there are a lot of macroeconomical data which are very relevant. There are housing data, employment data, sales data, and today we have mainly to our, as the results show. So it's important to see also all the information which are out in the market to reflect that on your trading. So I want to check also a bit gold and silver, if we have any possibilities to do here. So I see, here we go. Here we go, it's going up. It's going up. Let me see. It looks nice. Yes, I will go. I'm going long on gold. I'm buying gold, guys, and I'm sure that the market will move in my favor soon, because as you see, here is a very, very clear trend. Here's a very clear trend going up. We have a short pullback. Currently, we have a pullback on gold. That's why I entered right now the market, because right now with the pullback, I get a better price and I can get the advantage of the movement upwards. And let's see where we put our profit, our take profit. Let me see, I will put my take profit today at 1,244.90, 44.90, and my stop loss I will put at 1,242.50. There we go. There we go. I'm aiming a small profit of $420 here, because it is in a support level. You see gold price hit yesterday several times here on this level, also here again and here again. So if the gold price exceeds that level, we can still go long, but currently we are aiming a small profit to warm up and get to start in the markets. Silver, let's have a look on silver. We haven't been trading silver for quite a long time. So we are having, let me see if I see a nice possibility on silver again, and I think here we have also a nice possibility on silver. What do you think, guys? Looks also like the uptrend drops down, uptrend drops down, uptrend. What do you think, guys? Yes, I think I will also go long on silver. Today we go long, we go long. We go long. Here we go. Another long trend on silver. We just opened it. And let's see where our target will be. Our target will be on, let me see, it's on 15.875 is my target for my take profit, and my target for my stop loss, the maximum loss I'm willing to take. Okay, I'm willing to take is currently 15.799, 98. This is what I will put. There we go. These are my two trades on this morning. My trades on this morning. Let me see how USA 100 is moving. As you know, we put a sell limit here because I don't want to enter the market on this level here. You know, it's on the middle Bollinger Band. You don't know if the price will go up or down. I'm seeing from my indicator that the price tend to drop, and I'm willing here to wait until my position close. So guys, I see that you have a lot of questions towards Kyriakos. I will pass now to Kyriakos to clarify with you, and I'm here, and we will meet you in a few minutes. So see you in a short while.
So hello guys, Patrick, you say that you don't like silver, right? And my answer is says, if the queen likes it, just follow. Because nobody knows better silver other than I live, okay? So don't, don't doubt it. All right. So guys, I need to inform you that here where we are placed in Cyprus is very hot today as well. Today is also 42 degrees, guys. We have a very heat wave, but this will definitely not prevent us of having a wonderful night training session with you guys. And as you can see now, some of our positions here is raining in Bulgaria. Oh my God, I'm so jealous, Alan. You know, rain in Cyprus is so scarce that when we go to England, usually I'm standing in the rain and let the water clear my face, and people are saying that I'm crazy. But if it's so rare in your country, you appreciate it. All right, guys, let's go around and see how our trades are doing, guys. Our Euro-Yen trade started eventually to fall, has not triggered our second position, and it is a bit above yesterday's highs. This is our target price, guys, for this trade, $440. We only have one position triggered. Aussie dollar is now trading below our first short position and is approaching our, more slowly, our take profit level. Pound dollar is declining, guys. Very good signals on pound dollar. I believe that it will drop and eventually reach our target. Euro dollar, the first position was triggered, it is now falling. The second position, the second pending order is still pending there and not triggered yet. Dollar CHF, dollar CHF is very bearish, guys. It's very bearish. Let's see what will happen with that. Okay, stochastics. All right, guys. Basically, stochastics, I personally use stochastic to identify. Basically, stochastic is two indicators. We have the percentage K and the percentage D. The percentage K is the fast line, the blue line, and the percentage D is the slower line. What really matters about stochastic is not really percentage K, is percentage D, guys. And basically, the red line, we are trying to find overbought and oversold levels. So if stochastic goes above, if percentage K goes above 80 and then crosses below 80, then you need to look for a reversal signal. Also, we trade on stochastic divergences. The same for oversold conditions. If stochastic goes below 20 and then goes above 20, you are looking for buy signals. However, the problem with stochastic is that, for example, here, it has shown a reversal, but the market continued to go up. So it's not mechanical, the signals. You need to have also the feeling of the markets, okay? So basically, stochastic, I personally use it to identify possible weakness of the existing trend and identify trend reversal signals. That's all I do with stochastic. Very, very, very briefly. Of course, there are lots to say about stochastic, the formulas behind it, how it's derived, why there is double smoothing on stochastic on percentage K. Basically, you take percentage K from the prices and then you perform double smoothing 3 SMA on the percentage K to arrive to percentage D. There are lots to say about the formulation about stochastic. That's not the time to say that, however, but if you would like to know more, guys, regarding formulation of indices, please feel free to arrange a one-to-one session either with me or with my colleague Elif at Trademy.com. You can talk with your account manager, describe him your exact requirements, and he will contact me, and I will be more than glad, both of us, to arrange a one-to-one session with you guys in order to explain you some things that it's another thing to read them from the books and another thing to see them live in practice. So Trademy.com is our website. Don't forget also our social media presence. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel, Trademy Trading Academy. You can like our Facebook page. And of course, you can follow us on Twitter at TradeMA. It's nice to hear nice words. Alan is saying best academy ever. Alan, you have been a while with us. Maybe you are one of the people who knows exactly what we are doing here. And our purpose is to get people on board and become successful professional traders, guys. I mean, there are lots of people out there advertising and magic systems and whatever, but it's another thing to have a great support team, mentors, and funded account, guys. It's very important. Funded accounts. 100% funded accounts. Yes, the magic robots that you see around Alan on Facebook, and they just put their 20 green trades and they say 100% get it for free. Come on, if it is successful, you don't get it for free. Very good question, George. How much time approximately takes someone to become a pro trader? To be honest with you, it depends. Maybe it takes 6 months, maybe it takes 2 months, maybe it takes for a lifetime, and you never become a trader. Successful traders, I don't consider them smart. They are not smart people. They are just people who know how, not lucky. Luck is not part of the equation, not at all. Basically, are people who know how to control their emotions and they appreciate and value every dollar of their trading account. As soon as you understand how to be self-disciplined, you develop your system and you appreciate the funded account that is given to you, every single dollar of it, then you will start being profitable. So, just a few minutes away, guys. Actually, we have now the GBP announcements, and let's switch to pound dollar and experience some volatility. Hopefully the volatility is towards our favor. It's now coming out. The news are coming out, guys. Average earnings index, unemployment rate any minute now. And as you can see, we have some volatility, 50 lots. Patrick, be careful. Okay, guys, here we go. We are short on pound dollar. For the moment, it's going up. We are monitoring the 5-minute chart. Let's feel the adrenaline of the markets. This is our second position, ready to be triggered. And the second position is, let us know, okay, guys, the news are out as expected with a slightly worse figure on climate change. Expectations were 2.3 thousand, it came out 7.8 thousand. Not good news for the pound, but as you can see, it's going a bit up for the moment. The figures are out, unemployment rate remains steady at 4.2%, average earnings index steady at 2.5%. So the big surprise came out from Clement count change. Expectations were talking about 2.3 thousands. Now it came out worse than expected at 7.8 thousands. A bit of a rally, a very small rally on the pound dollar, very close to trigger our second position. Guys, the second position is not triggered yet. Let us see if it will be triggered. It's going up, 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 and of course we have Carney's peak as we are talking right now. So we have seen the impact of the news. Let's go around and see how the rest of our trades are doing. We have shorted euro yen here, is slightly above our entry level. Aussie dollar is developing nicely. Pound dollar is getting ready to trigger our second position short. Euro dollar didn't move for the moment, is where we have shorted it. Dollar CHF is consolidating here sideways for the past 1 hour and a bit lower than our entry level price. Dollar yen is developing well for the moment, and dollar CAD is doing okay. Now we need to break above these moving averages in order to continue the further upward movement and eventually hit our take profit. Now I see now volatility in the markets. As you can see, our pending orders are ready to be triggered, and as we see that what has been triggered, the pound dollar trade has been triggered. So let's go to the pound dollar. Now we have 6 lots, guys. We have 2 positions of 3 lots each short pound dollar, and this is our stop loss for both positions. Now, guys, I believe is the time that pound dollar should start to drop. We don't want it to go up because stochastic indicated a short position, guys, here reversal. And as we can see, we will see if we will hit our stop loss level. I believe that this is a very good level to go short again in order to continue the downward movement. Let me see what else has been triggered. No, only pound dollar trades have been triggered. Also, euro yen is approaching our second short position. Euro dollar is also approaching our second short position. And dollar CHF is slowly approaching our second long position. Dollar yen and dollar CAD for the moment are developing relatively well. All the rest are losing trades, but we have our second positions ready to be triggered. Okay, that's all we have for the moment. Currently down $1,300 more or less. But as I said, we never lose our temper and our discipline, and we are leaving the trades to develop as we always do. Okay, guys, have you followed us on any trades? All right. I see that Patrick lost. You have opened 50 lots, Patrick. All right, on Dow Jones. All right. Okay.
But it didn't triggered some.
All right. So you are okay. I see. All right, guys, that's all I have for the moment. You have shorted pound dollar, pound yen, pound CAD, all short because of the pound. An interesting approach. As you can see now, our second trade was triggered on the pound dollar, is now started to decline. Let's see how it goes, guys. I believe it will fall. Extreme conditions there, but we will see, guys, if it will not fall or not in a few minutes. So it's looking good. I believe this level here was the max level we can see for the day. Of course, I can of course be wrong and the market goes up and hits our stop loss. So it's part of the trading options. So no worries about that as well. So let me see. So far, everything looks okay. Guys, that's all I have for the moment. Already making money. Okay, good, George. Good job, George. All right, excellent, guys. So that's all I have for the moment. Let me see when the next announcements will be made. They will be made at 3:30, at actually 12:30 UTC time, about Canadian dollar. And then we have, of course, later in the afternoon at 2:00 p.m. UTC time, the chairman of the Fed, Powell, will testify, and traders are expecting him to talk. Okay, so GBP coming home. I like that. All right, guys, that's all I have for the moment. Elif, you have an update?
Yes.
And if I have any further updates, I will let you know, guys, straight away. Thank you.
Hello guys, here I am again. I just wanted to inform you our next position hit stop loss due to this sudden movement here, and now it started to recover again. Dow Jones, I find Dow Jones also very interesting, and I believe also that it will yes, Ellen, that's hit stop loss due to this big movement here. Our stop loss level was hit, and now the market turns again in a long direction, but I want to see for a next trade if I go again long on DAX, but it will take a bit of time until I make this decision because it's in nowhere. It's not on the top Bollinger Band, it's not on the bottom Bollinger Band, it's the price is right now in the middle, so it's not very interesting, or not interesting, interesting is the wrong word, not very clear if the direction will continue upwards or it will drop down. As you can here see, we had this huge drop, and now the market moves against again in our favor. So Dow Jones, I'm also interested today on Dow Jones. I'm also interested, as Patrick, on a short position. But my worry is if I should enter it. I want to enter it in this level. As you see, I have also a sell limit on USA 100 in a higher entry level. Let's put also USA 100. Also here, the market still didn't move down, so we can get a confirmation. I expect the market will start moving down over here. Our gold position is very interesting. It's developing slowly in our direction. It's giving us the first profits. As I said on gold, I'm expecting a movement up. I'm expecting an upward movement, and Yes, I will leave my take profit at this level, because I was just thinking if I should extend my take profit a bit higher. But I see, as I said also before, there is this support level, it's over here. So I don't know. I will leave my gold take profit at this level. So, because you see here on the 15 minutes chart, you see it very clear, the uptrend on gold, you see it extremely clear. And currently we are making $170 on gold. You see it very clear, but we have shortly always a short pullback, and this is the pullback where we entered the gold position, and currently we are making $160 on one gold position, and I'm aiming here a profit of $420. Although I tend that I can get more out of this trade. I know that I can get more out of this trade, but I will leave my take profit at $420 because at this level we have a very strong support level. And because of this strong support level, I will not extend my take profit. I will leave it there, and when I see that this support level will break, then I will just go long. I will open, now I open 10 lots, then I will open 20 lots long, because if this is breaking through the next level, we will be around here. So there we can get another few $100, right guys? Yes. So Italy 40 is a bit calming down. It's a pullback again, and I'm expecting here, you see a short pullback. I'm expecting here again a movement up. So I don't have an issue with this. France 40, these movements, you know, if the price is currently on the middle Bollinger Band, like we have it in several assets right now, it's not very wise to trade it at that moment, because it's not a real bounce back moment, so it's not very interesting. Let's see, UK 100. UK 100, we had this news coming from UK 100. It looks like the price is dropping. Guys, I'm selling UK 100. Yes, I'm selling UK 100. I just sold UK 100. Let's see how the market move. Will move in our favor, and we will aim a profit here at 7,587.50 is our take profit, and our stop loss is at 7,631. Yes, 31 is okay. There we go. And with a profit here, we are aiming a profit of approximately $300. Let's see. In around 10 minutes, we will have again some news from Italy. Where is my Italy 40? There we go. We are going to have in 14 minutes the Italian CPI. And I'm expecting there a bit to move in my favor. The market I have to see if I have a buy position right now, and if I see that the results are in my favor, I might open another trade in this Italy 40 to get the move as well. Let's see, in 15 minutes it will be our time to enter. USA 100, we have one pending order on USA 100. As you know, we have a sell limit order pending. We aim the Italy 40 price to reach the level of 7,590. No, 7,311. And once it reaches, we will go short. Why we will go short? For sure, we will have a check when the price is coming close to that level, if we want to go or not. But currently, it looks like a ranging price. It's going down, it's going upwards, and I'm expecting here the price to go down, the range down. I get the signal also from my stochastic oscillator, and if you go to lower time frames, you will get the same signal that it's tend to turn down. And even if you go to higher ones, it's showing the same. So that's why I'm expecting Italy 40 to drop soon. On gold, we are making $200. Our silver position started. Silver is a nice instrument, but it's a bit slow. But once it gets in the move, it's staying in the move, and the sky is the limits. So I like silver. Ellen doesn't like it. Ellen doesn't like Italy 40, and Ellen doesn't like silver. But for me, both are great, great instruments. Let's see on Italy 40, guys. Italy 40, we are very close to our stop loss. There is still a bit time to hit stop loss, but I want this position. I want to keep this position open until at least for the next 11 minutes, so I can get the results of the CPI and see if the CPI will affect Italy 40, and if so, I will react as well. I might open a new position, I might close this position. Let's see. If you say, what is Italian CPI? Anybody of you guys know what is the CPI? Any idea? It's the customer price index. As we said before, there are several data which are important for fundamental news, and one of those data are the sales data, and customer price index belongs to this data. Okay. And one UK 100 is also moving in our direction. That's why I'm interrupted. Let's see here. Where is our UK 100? UK 100. Let's put a triple chart so we can easily follow. We are short on UK 100 and we are almost making money. On gold, we are making money, $250. It's good, 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 good. So CPI measures the change in the price of goods and services regarding the customer. It's like every country build up a basket, and in this basket there are included goods which you need for your daily life, which means like bread, food, drinks, car expenses, rent, and everything which you as a human being need to pass your days, let's say. And this basket, every month you check the prices which are included in this basket, and the basket remains the same every 5 years, if I'm not mistaken. I think it's every 5 years they update the basket, because I mean 10 years ago nobody was, no, 15 years ago nobody was caring about internet. Nowadays internet is must be also in this basket, while 15 years ago it was not anymore still not in the basket, and now it is. And so every 4 years the basket is getting updated, and updated with the new goods you are having in your basket, in your life, which you need in your life. And so they take the prices of everything, of the goods in the basket, compare them with the last months and these months. And if there is a difference, it means that there are some inflation, or the price of certain goods rise, and so on. This is shown every month, and now we are waiting in 7 minutes the CPI for France, for Italy, and you can say a higher than expected result on CPI. You can interpret that as bullish. Like right now, if we get a result, we are expecting now a result of 0.3%. If the result gets higher, most probably it will have a positive effect on Italy 40, hopefully. So, and in case that it will have a positive effect and we will see a positive number, I will increase my exposure on Italy 40, guys. This is what I want to do. Well, this is it. We have another 6 minutes to go. Still gold is making money. I will keep that trade for a while until it hits take profit. For the next 6 minutes, let's check if Kyriakos has an update, and in 6 minutes I will be back.
So hello again, guys. Let me share my screen as well. So we have closed our dollar CHF positions, and this has cost us a loss of $1,530. Currently, all the other orders are running, and we are down another $1,500 unrealized losses. We were keeping our position, and we are closely monitoring. Not looking good, but we will see, guys. We are making a plan. We are placing our stop loss. We are placing our take profit. And every time you push the button, there are two possibilities: either hit stop loss or take profit. In the forex trading world, guys, the circumstances change by the second. I mean, as you can see, last week, 1 minute we are losing 2,000, the other minute you are making 4,000. So stick to the plan, guys. If we lose, no problem. Tomorrow is a new day, but stick to the plan. Don't change the plan every time. Stick to that plan. Stick to your strategy, and in the medium term, it will pay you. It will have a positive impact on your account. Just a few updates. I would like to say to you that the second position on Euro Yen was triggered, sell limit, as we can see. The second sell limit order on Euro Dollar was triggered again, and our second sell limit order on Pound Dollar was triggered. Now, our worst performer for the moment is Euro Yen and Pound Dollar, guys. For the moment, we are losing money on Pound Dollar and Euro Yen. We will see how they will react. Let me go around and see how they are doing. So Euro Yen is a bit below our second short position. Aussie Dollar, we have only one position short on Aussie Dollar and it's trading a bit below it, so in the money. Our Pound Dollar trade, the price of Pound Dollar now is above both short positions, so that's why it's losing us a lot of money. Euro Dollar is a bit lower than our second position short. Dollar Yen, we only have one position and is currently losing a few bucks because it's slightly below our entry level. Dollar CAD, it has moved below, very little below our entry level, and our dollar CHF hits stop loss. So these are the trades we currently have for the moment, guys, for you. And currently we are down $2,000 with realized losses already $1,500. So far we have made not a nice start, but we will see how the trades are developing, and in the afternoon we believe that we can do much better than what we did in the morning. So let me see around the news again. At 12:30 we have the manufacturing sales of the Canadian dollar. At 1:15 in the evening we have capacity utilization rate and industrial production for the United States, and of course at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, Powell, the Fed chairman, testifies, which is what all the traders are expecting today, basically. So guys, we are not doing well this morning. Okay, no big deal. We will see what happens, and we will come back in the afternoon at 1 o'clock p.m. UTC time to see how we can recover any losses we make this morning. So that's all from me for the moment. If you have an update, I will see you again, guys. I will be live. If you have any questions, write us on the chat room, and we'll come back.
Hello guys, here I am. So I'm back here. Do you hear me, guys? Do you hear me? Yes, you do hear me. Basically, I just wanted to say that now in exactly 1 minute, the Italian CPI will be shown, so will be announced. I will check what's going on and how it will be. And in the meantime, you see the gold trade is like a very nice sticking.
Okay, guys, we just had a small technical problem, no big deal. So let me take it from there, guys. Leaf freeze, yes, she will restart now her PC and she will be absolutely fine. So we are back in the Forex trading desk, guys, and as she said, in 1 minute we have the Italian news. So we are monitoring now our trades. Currently we are losing $2,000 unrealized losses. Aussie dollar.
Can you check Italy 40, what's going to happen now that it's...
Italy 40. All
yes.
right, here is Italy 40. Italy 40 is going a bit up.
A bit up?
Yes, 21,890.
Yeah.
You want to have a seat? Okay, guys. I'm leaving my seat. Here is Italy 40.
Hey guys, here I am. Let's see, we have also a trade on Italy 40. Let me see what happened with um, with my with the results. Let me see. I need to get used to this. And I am at Italy 40. We are on the 5 minutes chart. Let's see. No real result, no reaction yet. Let me see here on the 1 minute chart. It's nicely going up. We are long on Italy 40. As you remember, we are long on Italy 40. Let's see, we got the result out. There we go. I think slowly, it looks like. Μεγάλο.
Μεγάλο και το T και το R μεγάλο.
Ναι. If we got the results out. No, they are not out yet. The Italians, they are always a bit late with this announcement. But I see that the price moves a bit up, as you can see here. Let's make it a bit bigger. We are on the 1 minute chart. We are on the 1 minute chart and it started to go a bit higher. Will be okay. Anybody with me on the Italian trade? Anybody with me on the Italian trade? In the meantime, I want to check what is happening with gold. We are also long on gold, as you know. Okay, as we said, we have this nice uptrend and some every second candle is a small pullback. George is with me on Italy 40. So I guess our loss currently on Italy 40 is around $1,200. Is that correct? Okay. Yeah. Now it should be around $400 our loss. So let me see. We will now switch again the computers with Kyriakos, so I can go again on my computer now that everything is done. The Italians still didn't announce their CPIs. Thank you, Kyriakos, for your help and that I could use your computer. Hello guys, here I am again. Thank you. So let's see. We are our Italy 40 position. I think we hit take profit on gold. Yes, guys, we hit take profit on gold and we made $420 on gold. Great job for anybody who was with us on gold. We made a take profit on gold and we had a nice chin-chin moment when I was freezed, I guess. So the results are still not out there for Italy 40. but we closed a lot of our loss on Italy 40, which is good. Now on UK 100, we are short. It moved a bit against us, but as we can see here on our indicator, the slope is down and we had negative results. So I'm expecting in the next few minutes the price to drop. There we go. Italy just announced the CPI. So the Italian CPI was expected to be 0.3%. It came out 0.2%. Let me see on the 1 minute chart if we see any reaction on this. I don't see any big reaction. No reaction on Italy 40. We will keep this trade on and we will see how we get over it. In general, we closed today on DAX a small position. We hit stop loss on DAX, and now we made also a profit on gold of $400, $420. Good job. And now we are waiting for Italy 40 to develop in our favor. Guys, I will have a look at it and I will inform you how I come over with these trades on Twitter and here on our live trading room. Our live trading room will continue today, and we will have some videos and webinars, and also if we see that the price is moving in our favor or we open new trades, we will inform you so you are aware of this. I see that Italy 40 started to move in our direction a bit. Slowly, it's moving, it's getting there. And once we hit our take profit, we will get in touch with you. So guys, thank you for listening. Thank you for being with us here. And I will keep you updated. So see you in a short while, guys. Bye-bye. Welcome to our webinar, Charts, Indicators, and How to Arrange Several Charts on MT4. In this webinar, we will learn how to arrange several charts, chart functions, and indicators. After logging into your MT4 account, you will find an empty dashboard. If you like to analyze a chart, please choose first the asset you want to trade on the market watch. The market watch you will find here on the left-hand side of your MT4 platform. Once you click on the symbol you would like to analyze and right-click on it, you will get this window over here. Please press on Chart Window and the bar chart will open. The default setting is a bar chart on 1 hour.
to change the chart symbols, you just need to drag the next symbol into the chart. On the top side of the chart, you can see which asset you are looking at, on which time frame, and what the current price is. If you don't like to trade with a bar chart and you prefer a candlestick or a line chart, you can change this view anytime you like. By pressing Alt+2 or Alt+3, you can change between the chart types. Or easier, you just press on top of your toolbar on candlestick or on line chart. If you want to zoom in or zoom out so you can analyze a specific movement easier, you just press plus or zoom in or minus for zoom out. Also, you can scroll the chart to the end by pressing this button over here on your toolbar. Or you can shift the chart from the right border by pressing this button here. So you will see the current price on the right end of your chart. If you want to go back in your chart, you can just click on any spot on the chart and press by keeping the right mouse click, the left mouse click, click to the left, as you see like that. So, if you want to go back to the end and the current price, you just press this button again. Now we are looking at the British pound USD asset on the 1 hour chart. Let's keep it as a candlestick chart. Here we go. Here you see the chart. The candles are very narrow. We zoom in to have a better picture of it. Afterwards, if you decide to watch at it in a shorter time frame, you can change this from the toolbar by pressing any time frame you want. M1 stands for 1 minute chart, M5 for 5 minute chart, M15 for 15 minute chart. You can look at the chart up to a monthly time frame. Here you are looking, now we are looking on British pounds USD chart on the monthly candlestick window. If you would like to have multiple charts on one window, the only thing you need to do is to open another asset by right-clicking on the asset, go to chart window. So you will see 2 tabs on the bottom of the chart. British pounds USD on the 1 minute chart and USD Japanese yen on the 1 hour chart. If you want to check these charts simultaneously, you go to the toolbar and press this button. So no overlapping tiles will be available. Or you just press Alt and R. Here we go. Currently, we had 2 tabs open. We were looking at two assets, and after we press this button, we see two charts. Also here, if you would like to keep the same setup for all your charts, you can create a template. Let's create a template together. So we are looking at British pounds USD 1 minute chart here on the left side. On a candlestick bar, and let's put an indicator to create a template. So to choose an indicator, you can go to the navigator and choose the indicator you are looking at. Let's take the MACD. We just click on MACD, keep it clicked and drag it into the screen. There we go. Immediately, the MACD indicator will be shown up. Alternatively, you can go to Insert, Indicators, choose the indicator you would like to look at. Let's say the Bollinger Band, and click on it. Now we have two indicators inserted in this chart. And this indicator setup is the setup we want to use for all our charts. So let's create a template for this. We go again on our toolbar to templates, click on Save Template. We name this template as Bollinger Bands and MACD and save it. So now, once we opened a new chart with a new asset which we would like to analyze, and we want to use this template, this setup also on this chart, we just go to Template, again on the toolbar, Load Template. We will find all our templates available here. Choose the template we just created, which was called Bollinger Bands and MACD template. Click on it and open. And now we have this template also available on the USD Japanese yen chart, as you can see. So, if you would like to see more than 2, 3, 4, 5 charts on the same time, it's possible. What you need to do is, as said before, simply adding each chart on your dashboard here. As you see, let's open also Germany's 30, maybe also Euro-Japanese yen. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 charts which we want to look at. So we press just this button and we can look at all of them at the same time. Let's say now you are analyzing the chart and you want to see each price of it. What you need to do is just go into the crosshair and you can directly see on the bottom part of the chart at which time this candle started, and also on the on the right bottom corner, you will see the opening price, the date, the high, the low, and the closing price of this candle. And if you move the crosshair, you will get the data for each candle you are showing it. Furthermore, you can put also the data window, which shows you also the same data next to the market watch. So you see very clearly what was the opening price, what was the closing price, and high and low of each candle. You can close all these windows just by pressing cross, as you can see here. And if you like to open it, you just go to the toolbar and open it. Everything is available. So, after seeing how to create a chart and how to insert indicators, let's have a look how to put some lines. MT4 has the functionality to draw lines into the chart. Let's say you want to identify a trend line. You just press the trend line, mark the spots where the trend line should start, and navigate it like that. So this trend line will stay on the chart for each time frame you are looking at. If you would like to remove this trend line, either you click on it and go to delete, or you just click anywhere on the window on the right mouse click and you go to object list and remove it from here. Once again, object list, you click on it and you remove it. Also, the indicators you can remove in the same way. Let's say you don't want to work anymore with MACD. You just go on indicator list, mark the indicator you don't want to use anymore, delete it, and close the window. So, now we learned how to open a chart, how to modify a chart, how to insert indicators, how to remove indicators, how to watch as multiple charts together, and how to create templates. If you like to change the general picture of your chart, also this is possible. Just go on properties
and you will see the whole setup for your chart. On the background, you can change and use any color you wish. And you can modify your chart as you want. Let's say if you want to have the bar up line, but the bar down, if you want to have red, it's okay. A bullish candle, you want to have green, but the bear candle, you want to have red. Here you can change it anywhere you want. So let's change it to white. There we go. This is how you can change the properties of a chart. Now we see our chart white, our bullish candles green, and our bearish candles red. If you would like to open your positions directly from the chart, just go on the Show Trade Panel button or press Alt+T. Once you do so, you will see this picture over here. Here you can get the bid price and the ask price and the volume. By modifying and pressing sell or buy, you can directly open a position from this chart. In this webinar, we learned how to create charts, how to modify charts, how to set indicators, how to remove indicators, how to change default settings of charts, how to create templates, and how to insert these templates. Thank you for listening.
Okay guys, welcome back again. We are looking now on our trades. Great job, George, making $960 on pound card, $1,180 on pound yen, and pound dollar $890 profit. Well done, good job, George. I'm very glad about you, my man. Well done, good job. And we are now monitoring our two current trades that we have opened. We can see that euro dollar is approaching our target, which is 1.1702. And we have also placed a short position on euro yen. Both of them are in green, currently making us some money. We are aiming to get $828 from our euro dollar trade. It was shorted at 1.17296. And we will update you in case it is hit. Take profit, guys. It's fastly approaching, just 7 pips away from our take profit target on euro dollar, and also just 9 pips away from our take profit on euro yen. If the take profit is hit on euro yen, we will cancel the sell limit order. Very good job, George. I mean, come on, it's $2,000, $3,000 from the pound pairs. Excellent. Good job. Very good. So guys, we are monitoring now the euro dollar trade, and we will update you accordingly if we close a position with a loss or with a profit. Currently, the price is approaching our take profit. Thank you.
Stop loss.
Okay, guys, these are our trades for the afternoon session. We have shorted dollar CAD with a stop loss of 131.877 and take profit 131.339. We have placed the second order, sell limit order dollar CAD at 131.727 with stop loss 131.877 and take profit 131.339. And also we have placed a sell limit order on Euro Yen at 131.868. Actually, let me change that. I will make that market order, guys. Market execution. I'm selling now. So we have just shorted Euro Yen at 131.821. Stop loss 132.166 and take profit 131.618. And we also have a sell limit order on Euro Yen at 132.1016, stop loss 132.166 and take profit 131.618. This is the most recent update we have, and we have started our afternoon session trades now. And for any updates, we will let you know. And for any additional positions, we will also let you know, guys. So for the moment, we are short Euro Yen, short dollar CAD, sell limit Euro Yen, sell limit dollar CAD. Thank you.
Hello guys, hello Ellen, welcome to our afternoon session. How are you guys? Hello. We are here not. You missed me, Mary. Hello, we missed you too. You were quite quiet this morning in the morning session. Ellen missed me, Ching Ching. Yes, I missed Ching Ching also. We had a very, very slow morning and hopefully this afternoon will be a bit better. We hit stop loss on some of our trades, and I just opened a gold trade. I sold at 1,238. I still didn't decide where I want to put my take profit and my stop loss. That's why I'm still checking the screen and decide accordingly. Regarding some updates, I just wanted to update you. As you know, for the last 3 trading days, we try in the afternoon to trade the opening, the American opening, and we made some nice money the last few days on it. And as I told you yesterday, we check every day our earning releases and check accordingly what earning releases we expect, and how these earning releases can affect the markets. And yesterday, after the market close, as you know, we have 2 kind of announcement. The one is after market opens and after market close and before market opens. Yesterday, after the market closed, BlackRock announced his results and they were very positive. Let me check an article over here on forexlife.com, which, let me see, where was it? Every day there are a lot of articles on forexlife.com, and it's unbelievable how fast they can write an article and put them online, and I can't find it right now. We had a very nice article about BlackRock, and now that the market will open, it will be the first moment where the price will be shown. So we will trade today also on Dow Jones and Nasdaq. So guys, this Ellen is asking who's BlackRock, and he's asking me if I'm trading stocks. No, Ellen, I'm not trading stocks, but I'm trading indices, and most of these indices are in our most of the stocks are in the indices. And since yesterday BlackRock had a earning release announcement, it will affect today the indices, because the market, it was announced after the market closed. So now it's the first trading moment of BlackRock. So also the indice, the price of the indice after the announcement. BlackRock is a company, one of the biggest companies in the world. They do some business consulting, and so they buy basically small companies, and they split them in major core fields, and might sell them further, and they are quite successful. And they had their earning release yesterday, and the results were very positive. Also yesterday, Bank of America had the earning releases. George is asking me what about other companies' release yesterday. Also Bank of America had yesterday a release, and Bank of no, BlackRock is a part of Dow Jones, not of Nasdaq. And let me see. I will to be 100% sure. Let me check. Let me check. I'm not 100% sure about Nasdaq, if BlackRock is in Nasdaq. I think now, but about Dow Jones, I'm quite sure. So my gold position is right now making $500. This is good, by the way. By the way, so in the meantime, by the way, we have over there a position going on, and now it's again losing. So you have to be very, very very, very carefully and aware of what you are doing. So let's see, BlackRock. Is BlackRock in Nasdaq or not? However, it was also now we are making $760, $800. Guys, I think I'm closing my gold position with, I closed my position with, oh shit, with $800. Ching ching, we made $800 on gold within 8 minutes. So every minute we got $100. This is good. We made $800 on gold. And so this is how the afternoon should start, guys. This is how the afternoon should start. Let's see if we get a pullback. We enter again. So I put gold on 1 minute chart. Mary, you lost it. Don't worry, Mary. We will get it. We will get it. Now there is a pullback. On the pullback, we enter again. We enter again, Mary. Oh, Ellen went long by mistake on gold. It happened, I think this happened to every trader in the past. Every trader had this mistake, but the positive thing on gold is it's very volatile, and according, how much is your exposure? And it's 2 lots. Okay, with 2 lots, if 2 lots, you make already $500 loss. I think you entered in a very high price. Reconsider it a bit and see, because I see here gold is a very volatile asset, and you see it was wonderful today, the wave movement. This is the movement which we like to use and which we like to trade. Let's see if we can follow still an uptrend. Let's see. So basically, while I'm looking up for other earning releases today, I want a bit a better price. That's why I'm going. I want a better price on gold. In the meantime, let's have a look on the European shares. There is not much to get in the European shares indices. Back to the question with BlackRock. No, on for Trademy, we are using TradeFW platform, and on TradeFW platform you can't trade shares. We are trading indices here, and now I'm checking to check the indices, how they react. Oh, there is a huge down movement on all US indices. It's interesting. By the way, guys, I don't know if you noticed, I will go now short again on gold. Guys, I'm going short again on gold. I just entered again short. I entered short on gold. Patrick is selling go short on oil. Let me see what's going on oil. Yes, this is also a very clear short trend on oil. Let's go also here let's open a small short position on oil here as well. We opened a short position on oil. Mary took with me the gold position. Good job, Mary. We will close it. Once it's a bit in profit, we will close it. There is a huge movement right now, and we will make some money with this movement, as you see. But I'm worried with gold. Basically, it is here. Hold on, I will check it. Okay, guys, we passed. Here was a support level of gold, a bit down, wait a bit. Here was a support level, and if you check the current candle, it passed through. So I estimate that soon it will drop with a very, very strong, much stronger movement down gold. We will check it out and entry soon about it. So before we continue with the American indices, I just quickly want to pass you to Kyriakos to update you about the Forex desk. So we have some time. We will block the time a bit during the opening. So Kyriakos, please feel free to update the guys about the Forex behavior.
Thank you very much, Elif. Let me share my screen as well, guys. All right. Regarding the questions about pound dollar, guys. Hello, Mary, and welcome. Good afternoon, everyone. I have some questions regarding pound dollar. The key level for me for pound dollar is 130, 150. If it holds this hour, then we have a good chance of a small rebound. If it doesn't hold, then most probably will decline, guys. Now, what do we have for the afternoon session? Definitely not the best day for me. Currently, I'm down around $4,000. I don't know. Today is the worst day for me. I'm honest with you guys. Every trade I place, I lose today. It happens. I increase my exposure, yes, in an effort to recover some of the losses. If we manage to recover them, Alan, remember, if you are losing halftime 0-3, then you need to throw in the team some attackers in order to at least equalize the game, right? No, I'm trying to recover the losses. I will do my best. We will see what will happen. Now, I have entered 2 positions of 6 lots short dollar cut. Yes, exactly. Or we can double the loss. However, the number of trades in the afternoon will be very limited, and that's why I have increased my exposure. Basically, I don't want to be exposed at any time more than 2 millions, 2.5 millions, okay? So for the moment, I'm 1.8. It means that I can open one more position, and it depends how it will go. So basically, I have shorted again Euro-Yen with 6 lots, and I have also opened 2 positions, 2 short positions of 6 lots each on dollar cut. So I have my maximum exposure is around 2.5 to 3 millions per session. So I'm within these limits. Based on the account value I have, it is no worries about it. So regarding pound dollar, let me put the daily chart because some people are asking me about pound dollar. There is absolutely nothing there to stop euro dollar to fall. I mean, or at least on the daily chart. Okay, at least on the daily chart, it seems that it will test at least the 131 level. However, for intraday trading purposes, the 50s, the 80s, and the round numbers are very important support levels. So 3150 is a very important support level. So if you want to go long, you can go long, but if you see any close below 130, 150, then better to give up any long positions, guys. Okay? So, as I said, not the best day for me, definitely not the best day for me here. So I'm looking for any other opportunities. And for the moment, we are expecting in 50 minutes approximately Powell's speech, which is the Fed chairman. Allen, different take profit, same stop loss. I'm learning. What do you mean?
His.
Okay, Elif, you have an update?
Yes.
Okay, I'm transferring you to Elif. Explain me, Alan, what do you mean by that?
Hello guys, yes, gold is in profit. It's making right now $400. I'm expecting here a bit more, around $500. I'm expecting it's 440. It's extremely volatile and it's interesting to keep it. Maybe I will keep it even a bit longer. Now we are making $600, $840 on gold, and it's been just 7 minutes. $1,000. We have $1,000 on gold. Guys, $1,000. Let's keep it. 1,400, 1,500 or 600, 2,000. Great, $2,800 we make right now. $2,900, $3,000. We make $3,000 on gold. 3,000. Guys, I will keep it 3,000. Okay, I will show up. We have, it's great, guys. It's going. We have right now $3,200, 400, 500. At $4,000, I will close it, guys. $4,000, and I will close the position. 400, 400. There we go. There we go. There we go. $4,700 on gold. Ching, ching, guys. And we needed 10 minutes for this position. We needed 10 minutes for this position. Ching, ching. It was a great movement. Great trade, Mary. I hope you got also some profits out of it. And yes, this is how we want it. Ching, ching. Let's get ready. So we can go for the next trade, guys. This is what we want. A great afternoon. A great afternoon. And let's see. With the next pullback, we will trade again on gold. With the next pullback, we will trade again on gold, and we will get a bit more money, I think. What do you think, guys? Now we have a short pullback. Let me see. Let me see. Guys, it's nice to make some money, but we don't need to get over confident. And I'm entering again a sell position on gold, and I'm already making $1,000, 1,800. I just opened the trade, guys. I just opened the trade, and I'm making $2,700 on this trade. Guys, look at this. I just opened it. It's not even 30 seconds, and I'm making $3,000. $3,000. Guys, we will get another $3,000 from this trade. We will get another $3,000. There we go, 3,300, 3,400, 3,900. Guys, it's not even 1 minute ago, and we are making $3,600 on this position. 4,000. Okay, I closed it with $4,040. Another $4,040 in the last 20 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. We made $8,000 on gold, guys. We made $8,000 on gold. Let's see. Let's see. No, Mary, right now we don't have any fundamental reasons on gold. It's just that Donald Trump is back from his Europe meetings, and he had a meeting with Putin yesterday, and even his closest comrades within the party, they are criticizing him currently. Ellen made also $156. Mary made again $1,600. Woo, woo, great, guys, great, great. This is great. Let's wait until a pullback, and we will enter again a gold position. So, however, yeah, everybody is criticizing him right now that he was not very supportive regarding some issues. He was not insisting on investigations regarding the US elections. Yes, Ellen, we made $8,000 within 10 minutes. Yes, we made $8,000 on 2 trades on gold today. It's incredible. It's great, guys. This is the magic of trading. Nice, right? Where is Patrick? Did he get any trades with us? Patrick, what's so? Guys, you see here live? No, okay. Ellen will be with me on my next position. Well, Ellen, as I said, wait, maybe the next position is coming close. Let me see. As I said, it's nice to trade and it's nice to make some money, but you have to understand also when to exit, not to get over exaggerated on certain stuff. Don't get over exaggerated. We made 8K, great day, great move, great possibilities. But sometimes we have to be cold-blooded and say, okay, this was it. And now we are looking still on gold and checking if this is just the pullback, and see. We see. And also the American opening is coming very close. We will check also the American opening. Okay, here you see this is the small pullback and we will check. So Ellen is saying 8K can change my life. Well, believe me, Ellen, 8K, we should really appreciate every cent, every dollar which we make during trading. Even, let's say right now I'm making $30 on oil. For anybody else might be saying, oh my God, she made 8K on gold and she still says about the $30 on gold. No, for me, every dollar which I make through trading is important. And I really appreciate every dollar I make. So yes, the margin on oil, I just bought two lots. Patrick is asking me, you have 2 lots in oil and 20 lots in gold. Yes, I bought just 2 lots of oil because I was not really sure about the direction, and I wanted to test a bit the movement of oil and then increase my exposure. That's why I'm just with 20 lots in, Patrick. No other reason behind. So, however, every dollar is for me important because without this dollar, without this trading, before I didn't have this $34. There are people which need to work half a day to get this money in. So we appreciate every dollar which we make from trading. However, we see it's possible to make $8,000 within 10 minutes, guys. We checked it, we made it in 10 minutes, and it's not by luck. We saw the direct direction, we entered the market, and we got our money. Boom, boom, ching, ching, we got the money in. So, guys, Ellen and Mary is asking me if we should short gold again. You see, it's a short pull back. I will not short it now. Wait a bit. We don't get extra excited about it. We wait and we check the best entry moment. Maybe the price will go a bit up and we get a better price to enter. So we need to be patient sometimes. You know, like now for the last 6 minutes, you see no movement on gold. Let's get ready for the American opening. So for the American opening, I have already US S&P 500 and Dow Jones open. Let's put it on the 1 minute chart. 1 minute chart. And gold, I will keep gold also here. We are getting ready for the opening. Get ready. Yes, Netflix is down because also Netflix had earning release yesterday announcement. There we go. Dow Jones is making already the first moves. Netflix had also very bad results yesterday, and they were released after the market closed. So, guys, let me see. I'm selling Dow Jones. I'm getting ready to sell gold. Let me see. Oil is making money, but I didn't sell yet gold. What is going on with Nasdaq? Nasdaq is also dancing around, and I'm selling also Nasdaq. I just sold Nasdaq. So let's see, guys. Let's see. Okay, now I'm selling gold. I just sold gold. Alan, yes, I'm in as well in gold. Okay, basically, I'm short gold. I'm short USA 30. I'm short. So. I'm buying USA 100, guys. I just bought USA 100. I just bought USA 100. On Nasdaq, on Dow Jones, I'm thinking, let me see. I see the bulls are stronger. The bulls are stronger on USA 30. Okay, guys, I might close my USA 30 position with a small loss, but let me see. The market doesn't move as I want. They don't really move with a strong behavior. There we go. There we go. Drop, 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 drop. So we can get some money in. Yes, this is what I want. This is what I want. Come on. Come on, come on. So USA 100, we are making right now $80. USA 30, we are losing some money. Gold is a bit slow, but however, Come on, the USA, as you see the market, I see here on USA 100, the bulls are strong, so it will go up. I see it. On gold, I see the bears are strong, so it will drop, but we will need some time for that. USA 100, we are making right now $124. On USA 30, we don't make money. It's moving a bit against us. Okay, Ellen is with us in the gold trade. No worries about the gold trade. No worries. You know how narrow this trading range is? It's almost where we entered the market. So it's nothing for me. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Our Dow Jones trade. There we go. Dow Jones dropped as we want, but we have to see where we close our Dow Jones position. Come on, baby. Come a bit more down. Also, our USA 30 position is moving in our favor. Dow Jones just... Yeah, the bears are very strong here. Guys, I tend to close my USA 30 position. I make a very small profit of $100 over here, but it's taking too much of my concentration, and it's taking too much of my concentration. Gold is starting to move in our favor. This is good. This is good. Dow Jones is taking a lot of my concentration, so I will close this position with a profit of $200 on $250 on Dow Jones. On USA 100, I'm closing also my position. Let me see. Gold is moving in our favor. US. Shall we scalp, guys? We go now on Dow Jones. We go long and we scalp a bit. Let's scalp a bit. Let's scalp a bit. Yes, we are scalping now a bit, guys. So our gold position is moving in our favor. USA 30, we are now long on USA 30. Come on, baby. Come on. I know. So, we are back in the game. We are back in the game. We are now long on USA 30. We just gold is crazy. Ellen is asking me, how can you control so many positions without stop loss or take profit? I told you guys also the other day during the opening, I'm trying to get the maximum out from one movement. That's why from time to time I'm not putting any stop loss take profit, because I'm on top of it and I'm looking to my chart and closing positions accordingly. Because it might take me too much time, especially in extremely volatile moments, too much time to set a stop loss or take profit. And that's why I'm not always putting it. I know it's my bad. But once the market starts to slow down a bit, I start putting my position. Patrick is telling me, Elif, you made $7,000. No, it's $8,000 on gold, from gold. How much is enough? Well, as long as you see the movement and you see it's going, why not to continue? You see over here, the movement got slowed down a bit. It's slow now. It doesn't move as fast as we wanted. In general, I'm aiming around, let me see, I'm aiming around between $2,000 and $3,000 per day. But I have also a quite big pot balance to do so. Guys, here we go. I'm closing my USA 100 position. It's slowed too much down. This is closed. Gold position started to my favor. Yes, Dow Jones, we play a game with Dow Jones and it works against us. And I'm thinking to hedge. As you remember, we hedged yesterday our USA 100 position, and we made overall $700 on both positions together. And this is what I'm thinking to do right now, but I want to focus on my gold position right now. As you see here, gold is, since we exited our last trade, gold is over here quite slow. Let's put it on the 5 minutes chart. You see almost no movement, but this is normal after such a drop, that we start a movement sideways and then it starts to drop again. And I'm expecting now this drop, and once this drop happens, this will be my last trade on gold for today. I mean, $8,000 on gold, we made it in 10 minutes, and why not, right? Helen is making some nice jokes about Dow Jones. He says Dow Jones today is Dow Jones. Funny. What is the name when it's going up? Nice approach. Nice approach. So, yes, we are observing now the markets. And I interrupted Kyriakos for my $8,000 trade. So Kyriakos, can you please follow with your Forex desk? Sorry that I interrupted you.
No problem at all. Leave. So guys,
We don't hear you.
Now you can hear me.
I
Okay.
don't hear you.
You can hear me, Elif? Guys, can you hear me? All right. Okay, guys, the bad days continue here. We are approaching stop losses all the time today. It's not my day, I have mentioned that. I have lost 4K as well. Patrick, I think it's 5K with these losses or even more. It's 6K for me today if we hit stop loss on dollar cut. Definitely not our day today here at the Forex Trading Desk. Nothing worked out for us. It happens, guys. It happens. The key is not to get you down. So basically, Elif can lend me some ching ching. Yes, she's in a strong form today, and I'm very glad about it. At least one of us is making money. That's why we are a team. And Patrick, yes, it's not Monday, it's Tuesday, but it's like a Monday. Okay. All right, guys. Basically, I don't have anything else. I don't want to touch any more buttons because it's not my day. As simple as that. You need to accept it and stop. As simple as that. You need to accept it and stop. That's why I'm not placing any trades today. I mean, we are down $3,600. If we lose this trade, that's another $2,000. It's enough. It's enough for the day. You don't need to insist and try to push the buttons to recover. If it's not your day, it's not your day. Anything that I do, it will be wrong. So it's better to stop, guys. So I'm losing because I'm looking at it from the wrong perspective, completely the wrong perspective today, guys. That's why I'm losing. It's one of those days where you need to have someone next to you and say to you, stop for the day, tomorrow is another day. So that's exactly what I will do. I will not open any more positions. I will leave these positions until the end of the trading session. I will close them, and tomorrow it will be a new day for us, guys. Definitely, those of you who have been trading for some time, you will have this type of days. You will have this type of days. Alan is asking, should I deposit more money if my margin level is 130%? Basically, Alan, if the margin falls below 150%, either close positions or deposit more money, because after 150, it falls really fast, okay? So if your margin has dropped below 150%, act immediately, either close positions or deposit some more money. You need to contact Patrick. You have a live account or a funded account. Which one of the two do you have? Do you have a funded account from Magna? You need to contact your Trademy account manager and discuss this option with him. Okay. So if you have a funded account from Magna through Trademy, contact your account managers there, guys, and tell them what the issue is and if they can assist you on funding you with more capital, okay? They will not accept me again. Why, Alan? You got the red card? What happened? Why they should not accept you again? It's not a matter of bad record. It means that you are doing something wrong, Alan. Did you have any one-to-one sessions, Alan? From what I remember, we had, okay, you didn't have. And maybe it's a good time to have a one-to-one session, Alan. But guys, don't wait to burn 4 accounts to have a one-to-one session. Mary is saying Alan is supporting France. That's why we should not accept him. Okay, Alan. It's a double price for you because you are supporting France. Those who support Croatia will get a 50% discount on the one-to-one session, guys. All right, guys. Don't be discouraged because you are losing money. I mean, Forex is like a business. Suppose that you have a company. Not every year will be profitable. Some years will be profitable, some other years will be losing years, some others will be very good. The key is overall to enjoy what you are doing and at the end the account to write plus. Okay, so it's one of those days that whatever you do, it will go wrong. It will happen to you, I'm sure, I guarantee you that. This is what happened to me today, and today I had the worst day since I'm here at Trademy. I never lost more than 5,000, so today is my worst day. But okay, these things happen, and that's why tomorrow we will try and do much better than today, guys. So, Patrick, what do you mean how year? I don't understand your question, so please rewrite it correctly. Let me see. So, those of you who have a funded account and your margin is low, contact your account manager at Trademy and discuss this issue with him, and they will assist you guys. They are very good at support. As soon as your demands are in the places of logic, they will accept you. Hope they will accept me again. I will call a whole year. A whole year what? Patrick, can you speak with Magna? No.
Paycheck,
You are waiting for a paycheck a whole year. Patience, Patrick, it will get there. If you are losing, then why should you receive a paycheck? Guys, be patient, okay? Be patient. It's not something that you learn from the one day to another. Alan is asking me if I can speak with Magna. No, guys, I'm not an intermediary of Magna clients. You need to talk directly with your account manager at Trademy, guys, okay? Trademy, not Magna. You need to talk with your account manager at Trademy. He is the person responsible to you, and he will get it for you. Alan, it's not about a favor. I'm not authorized to talk on behalf of clients to our educational support team, so it has to be a direct contact. So understand our position here. We are not authorized to talk on behalf of clients to the account managers. You need to contact them directly. You need to try exactly. So we are left with on any other questions, guys, regarding anything you want to ask me, anything I can be of any assistance to you guys. So I have only 3 positions left and 1 pending order. I will keep them until 5 o'clock, and then I will close them. Guys, I repeat, it was not a good day for me here. Losses are about $6,000. So tomorrow, guys, let's have a look at tomorrow news. I mean, in 15 minutes from now, Powell will testify, the Fed chairman, and I would love to keep this position until the time comes, because plus $4,000 from oil. Good job, Patrick. So in 15 minutes, we have the Fed Chair Powell testimony. So we are waiting for that. That's why we are keeping these positions open. You never know what will happen during these announcements, during this testimony. Our Euro-Yen is more or less where we have shorted it. We have another order pending a bit higher. And our dollar CAD position is very close to our stop loss and very close, a bit above our second short position. So let's see tomorrow what we have, guys. Tomorrow at 8:30 UTC time in the morning, we have CPI year on year for the British pound. Very important announcement. 3:30 at 12:30 PM UTC time, we have the building permits for the United States of dollar. And again, tomorrow, this guy talks again. At 2 o'clock PM UTC time, Fed Chair Powell testifies. And of course, we have at 2:30 crude oil inventories relief. So, that's all, guys, from me. We are waiting for the Powell to start his testimony, and we will be here. Elif, you have an update?
Yes.
Okay, I'm transferring you to Elif.
Guys, it was an incredible day, Basically, look at this. Look at this. Today, only on gold today, we made $9,960. And this with 1, 2, 3, 4 trades on gold. Is that good, guys? This is good. I see that Patrick is also making money on oil. Great job. I closed also my oil position. It had a reversal, and before losing more, I just closed my oil position. Now I'm left with these positions here. My USA 30 position is recovering. You saw that it had a huge drop where we closed our sell position and we bought a buy, we bought Dow Jones, and now it's going up. We bought too early, but it's okay. So George is saying that he lost some money, he won some money, and he's around 1K up today. This is the main thing, that you are every day a bit more up. You might it's normal that you lose a trade. It's totally normal. Everybody of us is losing. I mean, you see, I had also a lot of losing trades today, but we managed to get overall in profit. Patrick is saying, so the day is $2,100 for now. He's going home. He made $2,100 today. Ellen lost a bit. He lost 1K. Ellen, we still have some possibilities on gold if you are interested. George is saying 20 winnings and 2 losers, but the losers were also, Mary wants to close her gold position once it is in profit. Yes, I will do the same, because I believe the downtrend on gold is slowly coming towards the end, and there is no reason to exaggerate that. You see, we had this huge drop, which we used, and I closed. We made around $8,000 in 10 minutes with this huge move, and then it started to stuck a bit around here. Now it started. We are still short. We opened another short position, and we see how it develops. So we can close it. We can close it with a small profit. I believe it will drop now after the opening, because during the opening all the interest of the traders went towards the indices, and gold was not relevant anymore. Now that the opening rush just slowed down, gold started to continue his drop down, and we started now to be in profit. Let's see until where we will keep the position. We are making right now $200, and it dropped down a bit. This will go like that, and I will close it once we make a bit of profits. So Patrick says, I'm interested about gold. As I said, I think the strong movement of gold for today is over. In general, the downtrend, I think it will continue today, but we had a huge move already. Let's check it on the 1 hour chart. You see, I think slowly it will be, the move will be not so strong anymore on gold, I think. Patrick, anyway, he just shorted on gold, and he's profiting. Yes, it's like the movements on gold, they are very sharp and very fast, so no worry, you will get there. On the loss you have is also the spread included, and as you know, gold is a has a very wide spread, so no worries about that. We will get there. George is saying that he believes Nasdaq will continue going up. Let's see what is happening with Nasdaq. Yes, this looks like an uptrend. Yeah, we closed already our position on Nasdaq because it was in profit around $400, and I closed it because I was like, okay, $400 is enough, and I have other positions open which need more attention from me than my Nasdaq position. So, but I believe it will still continue going up if anybody is still interested in entering. Could wait for a small pullback. As you see, after each strong candle, we have a small pullback, and during the pullback, you can enter and use the big movement here. Great. Guys, what do you think? I think we had a nice afternoon trading session with nice profits. The morning wasn't that good, but the afternoon we kicked in and we heard several ching sounds out of your offices, out of this office, and we enjoyed the trading moment. I think Ellen was asking me yesterday about some 3K positions, and today we got them. Hopefully it will continue also tomorrow. As you know, tomorrow, thank you, Ellen. As you know, tomorrow we will have earning release, oil inventories, and oil inventories are always interesting to trade, and we might trade the inventories. Guys, let's have a look what's going on. As you see, I like to arrange. I have currently, whoa, Nasdaq is making a huge move. Who was long on Nasdaq? George, you, I think. Great. As you see, I like, this is the way I love to arrange my screen, to see, to have 3 screens like that, where I can see each asset moving. Yeah, Merit, gold is getting crazy, but this is, it's gold will come back. This is just for a 1 moment thing. And I will explain you. I might even increase my exposure after this move over here. Guys, I might even increase my exposure on gold. Patrick, you're out of gold. I see. I'm still in, and I will remain in. My Dow Jones position is behaving very well. Dow Jones position, as you know, we sold Dow Jones. We closed the Dow Jones position and we went long. And now the market moves. As you said, we are expecting right now the talk of Powell. And let me see if there is any news on forexlife.com. As I told you also this morning, on forexlife.com, you can find articles very fast, and I love the articles of forexlife.com. And there we go. Fed's Powell, best policy is to keep gradually raising rates. There we go. There we go. This is the reason. This is the reason. Okay, let's see, let's see. We are not worried. What is happening with the European indices during such a movement? We had also great movement on European indices, but I don't want to bother now with the European indices. I'm more considering of entering again short on gold, because I'm expecting this movement to be just momentum. But because it's a speech, you have to be a bit more realistic. Guys, I'm going again short on gold. I have already one short position, but I'm going with a reduced exposure again short on gold. Yes, guys, I will get more out of this, because I believe that the price will drop and I will get some money extra. What do you think, Mary? Are you with me in? Yes, there we go, guys. There we go. We get money in. Ching, ching. We get money in. We are making already $100, $200, $300, $400. Yes, there we go. $500. We made already $500 on our second sell position, guys. This is what we like. Yes, come on. Come on. I love this trading, guys. You can't imagine how my heart is flying like a butterfly. Yes, come on, come on, come on, come on. Is anybody of you guys skiing? Guys in Bulgaria, yes, Patrick. It's like when you go with a snowboard or with a ski down the hill and you feel the small ups and downs of the hill. This is how it feels for me trading. I think, yes, skiing is great. I really enjoy skiing a lot. I really enjoy, and snowboarding as well. Come on, baby, come. I know that you will drop. I know that you will drop. Why you just behave like a little shy girl? Come on, gold. Another few pips and we will be okay. Come on, George is saying ski is classic, snowboard is for kids. No, George, I don't believe that snowboard is for kids, because I believe a snowboard started to be a fashion in the 90s, and now the guys which were the first generation of snowboard are almost 40 and they are not kids anymore. They are not kids anymore. So come on. I know that my gold trade will drop down. However, we will put our first, let's put some take profits over here, right, guys? So we will secure our trades, right? Right, let's put some take profits. So my trade profits on the oil position, on my gold positions will be 1,230, and my stop loss will be 1,235.80. I can't modify it. Oh, interesting. Okay, let me see. I will put here 1,229, 30, 200, 1,230 is my take profit, and my stop loss is 1,235. There we go. We just put our first stop loss and take profit. Also here the same 1,230, and my stop loss is 1,235. There we go. There we go. We did that. Now on our USA 100, let's see, on our USA 100 position, not USA 100, USA 300 position. I'm aiming here. Okay, 25,041. My take profit and my stop loss is 24,980. There we go. There we go. There we go. Great. Great. So these are our nice trades for today. As I told you several times in the past, what I do is I'm checking here always when I'm trading. I'm putting on my screen always the 3 positions which I have open, or the 3 charts which I have open, or at least what I would like to follow closely. So I see, for example, here the gold chart. Here I see UK 100. Here I see USA 30. So I see that my gold position is started to make some money, the second gold position, and yes, Mary, it was an amazing, nice day. We made incredible $9,960 on gold within 1 trading day. And now there are another 700, 800, 900. There we go, guys. Yes, this is interesting. We are making right now $700 on one of our gold positions. Stay with me. We will close my position very soon. Stay with me and we will close this position. Come on, come on, come on. What do you think, guys? Shall we close it with $500 profit, the one? Or shall we expect more? I'm sure. Yes, Ellen closed it already before he got a bit scared of the movement, and I think he closed his position. But this is the magic of gold. This is the magic of gold, and I believe it's like a small little shy girl. This gold today is coming, then not. It wants to come, but not. But we will get there. We will get there. We made incredible $9,900 on gold today. And I think we could get even more. I think we could get even more, guys. That's why I want to stay here and observe. I know that we get more. I want more. Come on. No. But here you see definitely that the movement slowed a bit down. It doesn't mean that it will not drop. It will drop, but the movements are not in this way as it was here. The candles will be more smaller. I see some news coming right now on forexlive.com. I have the live stream on forexlive.com. However, this is good. However, guys, we had an amazing day today. We had a really amazing day. We made a lot of profitable trades today, and in general, I'm quite happy. I'm really happy about our results. I think you can join my opinion as well. For anybody who didn't manage to watch our trades, why we entered, how we entered, and how much we made. Tomorrow, these videos will be online on YouTube, and you can watch the videos and master our trading behavior as well. Furthermore, if you have any questions regarding trading or regarding our trades, just follow us on Twitter and get in touch with us through your account manager, and we will explain you guys everything in more detailed matter. So for me today, it was a very satisfying day. I'm very happy. I think I will go now and have my afternoon drink and enjoy my afternoon. Hope you guys can do the same with me and be relaxed and be excited about the trading day tomorrow, how trades will affect us tomorrow. So thank you for being with us. Thank you for trading with us, guys. Mary, yes, it was an amazing afternoon, and the magic still goes on. You see on gold, it's dropping and giving me a nice pleasure. Can't wait for tomorrow. seeing you guys to trade again. So guys, George, Mary, Patrick, Fanos, thanks being with us, and we talk tomorrow. See you tomorrow at 8 o'clock UTC time here at Trademy.com. Bye bye, guys.